Hi, I am Mr. Madrilejos, your high school math teacher. I am willing to help you with your math problem. Shoot me an email. Just don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Okay, part 2 of addition and subtraction of fraction. This time is subtraction. Okay. I have some examples here. This is range from easy to hard. Let's start the first question here. 8/9 minus 5/9. This question is easy. As I mentioned last time, if they have the same denominator, that will be easy job there. You just need to do the operation on the numerator, which is 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 makes 3/9. Simplified of this is 1/3. Let's review. How do we know it's 1/3? How many 3 in 3? So 3 divided by 3, 1. How many 3s? 9. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. The answer is 1/3. Question number 2. 3/4. Subtract by 1/16. Okay. So we need to know the common denominator here. So between these two numbers, 4, we can convert this to 16. Okay, we don't need to multiply like 4 times 16 makes bigger number. We want the least number, which is divisible to 4 and 16. And that number is 16. So I just need to convert this number to 16 by multiplying it by 4. Okay. Let's continue. If you notice on this equation here or in this operation, I don't need to multiply this by any number because it's already 16. So I know that 4 times 4 is 16, and this is 16. That's all over 16. Okay. Now let's do the operation. 4 times 3 is 12. Copy this number here, minus 1. 12 minus 1, 11 over 16. Can we simplify? No. That's the final answer. The next number, 1/3 minus 1/4. Okay. So this time I need to look for a number which is common to both. That number is 12. How do I know? It's 3 times 4 makes 12. So I need to make this as 12 be multiplied by 4. And to make this 12, multiply it by 3. Four times 1. 4 times 3. 1 times 3. 4 times 3. Or let's write them in all over 12. Let's make it easy. And then do the operation. 4 minus 3. It's 1 over 12. Last question. It's a whole number minus a fraction. Review again. In basic math, a whole number can be written as fraction as 3/1. It's imaginary number 1 there. Okay, so there's a number there, but it's 1. So I'm just going to write here over 1. Remember, a whole number, let's say 20. The fraction of 20 is 20 over 1. Now, the common denominator here is going to be 8. 1 times 8 is 8. This is the only numbers that or fraction that I need to convert has 8 as a denominator. I'm going to multiply this by 8 over 8. I don't need to multiply this because 8 times 1, it's 8. It's already 8 here. So I'm going to rewrite them as 8 times 3 is 24 minus 1 all over 8. Subtract that, 24 minus 1 is 23 over 8. Can I simplify? Yes, I can. So let's do this simplification here. How many 8 inside 23? Okay. So there are 2. Like 2 times 8 is 16. So you got 2 there over 8. But we need to figure out what's the remainder. So if you count 16 from 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So the remainder is 7. The answer is going to be 2 and 7/8. Thank you.